39 is asking us to find the cosine of theta, where cosine of theta is the side adjacent to the angle, which in this case is 3, over the hypotenuse side, which is 5, and we simply just write that as a fraction, 3 over 5 for our cosine of theta. For number 40, we're working backwards. They're telling us that the solutions are 6 and -4. And since we're trying to look for it in factored form, we simply just have to subtract the 6 over and have x minus 6 equals 0. We add the 4 over and have x plus 4 equals 0. So therefore our a is -6 and our b is 4. And -6 plus 4 gives us a value of -2. Problem 41, we start by looking at the slope formula. We take y2 minus y1, which is 8 minus 4. We take x2 minus x1, which is 3 minus 2. That gives us a slope of 4 over 1. We then take the unknown point of 6 comma y, and we're going to go ahead and use that with the point 3, 8. And then we do the slope formula again. The y minus the y to get y minus 8, x2 minus x1, which is 6 minus 3, and set that equal to the slope that we found, 4 over 1. Simplifying, cross-multiplying, and solving for y, we get y equals 20. 42, we're given that the tangent of A equals Q, and they're asking you which of the following expressions. This is where you have to identify your trig identities and trig ratios, and one of those identities is that the tangent of A equals the sine of A over the cosine of A. And finally, for number 43, it's simply asking you to come up with the equation of the line. You notice here that we intersect at -4, so that would be our b value. We then find the slope from that point to 2, 0, and I'm going an increase of 4 over 2. So rise over run would put me at 4 over 2, which when I divide that simplifies to be 2. So that is my slope. And putting my slope with my intercept, I have my equation y equals mx plus b, or y equals 2x minus 4, letter E.